Hey! Are you watching? Okay, good. If you've been itching to spend less, put more money in the bank, and strengthen your willpower when it comes to your wallet, well, just pull up a seat, my friend. Howdy, fellow money users. My name is Hannah, and today I have exactly what you're needing, exactly what you're wanting. Today I give you the More Money Challenge.
Okay, what is that?
Oh my gosh, you scared me, sheesh.
Oh, you said pull up a seat.
Oh, sure did. Well, the More Money Challenge is a 30-day money-saving challenge that you, your dog, your grandma are all invited to join. You can start January 1st or October 2012, whenever you want, and you can do it alone with a partner or with all the spandex-laden party people in your Zumba class.
Oh, well, like what are the rules?
There are actually only 3 main rules to the More Money Challenge. 1, track your spending. Every single dollar, every single day for 30 days. 2, only buy essentials. What's an essential? You decide. We don't know your life, but only essentials for 30 days. And 3, no eating out. No exceptions.
That's it?
That's it.
Oh, well, what are you gonna give me to help me do this More Money Challenge?
Oh, don't worry. We're gonna give you plenty of tools to lead you to success on your 30-day journey. When you sign up for the More Money Challenge, we'll email you the More Money Workbook. In the workbook, you'll find all kinds of helpful tools to guide you on your journey. An expense tracker to help you follow Rule 1, track your spending, a savings tracker, recipes for simple meals at home so you don't need to eat out, Rule 3, even a pantry inventory.
What's a pantry inventory?
I don't know. Sign up and you'll find out. You can print the workbook and mark it all up however you like, but if you're not a pen and paper kind of pal, you can use the entire workbook from your mobile device. And even better, this same workbook can be used year after year. So next year you could call it the More Money Challenge. I mean, you could.
Well, does this even work?
Oh, I'm sorry, that was a serious question. Yes, this challenge more than works. Last year, participants saved an average of over $1,000 each. Yeah, so it works, my friend. Works.
Oh, well, how do I get started?
All you gotta do is sign up at youneedabudget.com/moremoneychallenge. Our More Money team will get you kicked off with your workbook, your first task, and there's even an optional Facebook community you can join if you want support and encouragement from others participating in the same challenge. Then from there, just track your spending, only buy essentials, avoid eating out, and keep checking your email every few days for new tips, tricks, and challenges.
Oh. All right.
Yeah. So, do you think you're gonna join me?
Absolutely. Can't wait to get started.
Okay. And if you would like to join us, go ahead and sign up at youneedabudget.com/moremoneychallenge. Best of luck, my friend, and I'll see you on the other side.
Okay.
Okay.
That's a horrible noise.
Okay. So, are you excited for the holidays?
Yeah, love them.
Me too. Me too. So, what are you most excited for?
The holidays.
Well, I meant like, yeah, sure.
Hey, so where are we?
Where are we? Who are you?